The 2026 AI coding landscape has changed completely. Free tools now rival premium subscriptions. We tested 7 tools over 2 weeks to build the ultimate free AI coding setup. Stop paying for AI coding and let's get started. Who is this setup for? This setup is ideal for students and beginners, freelancers cutting costs, and developers testing AI workflows before making a commitment. Paid tools are great, but free options are now the perfect entry point. Tool 1 is Windsurf's free tier. You can download Codeium's AI-first code editor and leverage unlimited codebase autocomplete. You can also use up to 5 flows daily for multi-file edits. This is best for developers seeking a free cursor alternative. Executing a flow means the AI understands your entire project context, not just a single active file. It's designed for heavy refactoring across multiple components. 5 daily flows comfortably cover most beginner and intermediate needs without hitting limits. Tool 2 is Continue.dev, which is fully open source and free forever. You simply open the VS Code Extensions tab, search for and install Continue, and then dock the new AI sidebar to your editor. It reads your entire repository for deep context. With Continue, you can bring your own model. Open the configuration file, paste your preferred API key for Claude or OpenAI, and customize your own AI commands. It's best for existing VS Code users who want ultimate flexibility without switching editors. Tool 3 is Tabby, which is self-hosted. You install Docker, run the local server, and connect your IDE like VS Code, JetBrains, or Vim to localhost. This provides 100% data privacy and is perfect for sensitive client or enterprise code. Tool 4 is Aider, a terminal-based tool. Open your terminal inside your Git repository, install Aider via pip, and launch it with your chosen AI model. This AI pair programmer works directly with Git from the command line. Aider enables surgical code changes. It automatically reads relevant files, generates the code, and shows a precise diff, and then commits to Git upon your confirmation. It is best for backend developers and command line power users who love Git workflows. Tool 5 is Ollama, combined with Continue. Install Ollama, pull an open source coding model via the terminal, and route Continue.dev to use your local setup. This is the 100% free, 100% private local setup, ideal for developers with a decent GPU. Tool 6 is the Claude API free tier. Create an Anthropic developer account, generate a free API key, and plug it into Continue.dev or Aider. This gives you world-class Claude-quality AI for moderate use at absolutely zero cost. Tool 7 is Gemini Free. Search for Gemini Code Assist in VS Code, sign in with your Google account, and utilize the massive Gemini 2.5 context window. This is best for developers with large code bases and those already deep in the Google ecosystem. Reviewing the free stack matrix, the highest quality combinations are Continue plus Claude or Windsurf. For the highest privacy, use Tabby or Ollama. The lowest friction options are Gemini or Windsurf. So which should you use? Beginners should use Windsurf. VS Code professionals should use Continue plus Claude. If privacy is critical, use Tabby. Finally, if you're a CLI native, use Aider. Start building today by picking one tool from the flowchart to install. Being broke in 2026 doesn't mean being unproductive, as these tools would have cost over $100 per month just 2 years ago.